So a commenter on my previous video about weather stripping and sealing had wondered about the actual door seals, and this is a perfect morning to go over it because this is what California is like in the morning. Dew everywhere. Everything gets covered by water every single morning. So here it is. It's not in very good shape. It's still soft, even on a cold morning, it's still soft, which is good, but it's been painted over, and then in obvious areas it's starting to deteriorate. See it there. As you can tell, the whole thing is torn. There was a question about these seals. So like I commented, the interior seal is more or less intact because it doesn't get direct sunlight. The exterior seal is pretty beat up, but it does seal. The seals have been replaced. I believe there's supposed to be a seal in here. I think that's just missing. So it's not well sealed. Then there's the interior seal here. Again, that's beat up. Soft, but cracked. So it's not falling apart. Look at how beautiful that is in the morning. So in the hood, again, this one doesn't get exposed. It is old and beat up. Could be replaced. It's only like, I think it's less than $10. Same with this one. You can kind of see that it drips, and it does a job at sealing. The headlight seals are good on that one. This one, it's missing, I think. So need one of those. Yeah, we went over in the last video. I had replaced this. This one could be replaced, but I think it's okay. But I think I'm going to order the door seals, both of them, the hood seals, the wing window seals, tail light seals, the handle seals. The reflector seals look like they're fine. So just so you can get a sense, I looked up all that stuff. It's going to be $430 for just that set of seals that I talked about. If I were to replace that, that's another $120. If I were to replace that, that's another $90, and that's all on sale as well. So it's not cheap. You can take a look at this side. Same situation. Still sort of intact, but falling apart. And this part's cracked down here. So there you go.